Okay, we're out here on a farm doing a septic system. This farm was built back in the early 1900s, I assume. I didn't really get the correct date, but the septic system is filling up with water, so I actually need to pump out the water, see what's going on with the tanks down there. Assume one of them's plugged, and then so we're gonna dig that up, see if it's plugged, maybe run a new drainage trench. So here we go. Here's our guy, Big Don. He's the guy we're helping. He's got a septic system there. What?
Can we pump that out? Donnie, do you want to pump that out?
Pump it out?
Pump it out?
If we do hit it and it does run in the hole, it'll only run until where it's deep as you dug it.
Right.
And then I'll pump it, and then it should run back in the hole.
Okay.
We can try it.
Okay.
Alright, so we don't even know where this septic tank is at, so we're actually trying to find it here, so we don't know how deep it is.
How far did I start out?
I should have. You know what year this house is built? Or when do you think?
It was rebuilt in the 70s.
Oh, it was the 70s?
20s probably.
The septic system? So we're thinking the septic system's put down there in the 20s, so it's gonna be like a treasure hunt here. We find some dead bodies, who knows? Let's see. So essentially what's happening is this is overfilling this septic system right here, coming out the top. So it's not making it out to the drainage field out there. I'm gonna speed this up for you.
I came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon.
All right, we found our culprit. Rusted out pipe. What do you think that was, like galvanized steel or something? Or what do you think that was? What kind of material? So we found it, grabbed it with a bucket, it broke right off here.
Try to catch me howling at the moon. Try to catch me howling at the moon. Try to catch me howling at the moon. Try to catch me howling at the moon.
say alright all the time, but I don't know how else to start out a video. What's up? No. Trying to do. We're almost through digging the trench from the septic tank all the way to the back of this old chicken coop, because there's a hole back there, kind of a drainage hole. So
When it rains, it pours. Water's up to my chin. Won't stop fighting to the very end. Many men try to reach it. Many men have failed. Well, if you wanna get to heaven, you gotta raise a little hell.
all right, got this all dug out. There I am, saying all right again. Son of a. Here's the septic systems they made back in the day. Cement, 1,000-gallon tank with a rusty cast iron pipe coming out of that sucker. Alright, here's the pipe we're gonna use. Why did I keep saying? I gotta come up with something better than saying all right all the time.
All right.
We are back at the job site. Gonna put in these 10-footers, 6-inch PVC. I guess we're doing solid all the way out, 120 foot. Guess we'll see.
So might just take it off too. But. Plugged
Yeah,
up in there?
Oh yeah. We have a long drill that I could drill it, but man, it's skinny. Do you got a long drill bit that you welded something onto it that could spin around?
What are you on my way for? Huh?
I feel like it might rot out.
Might rust out.
Yeah.
Won't make any difference because we got the thing right up on it.
Right. That's true.
Oh!
There it went.
That helps solve the problem right there.
I
What
did
kind
not.
of a deal did?
Way to go!
I didn't do it.
Fired again today.
Yeah.
I think it'll carve out the whole damn thing.
No. I was
don't
thinking
know,
like go
Donnie.
like this.
Yep. Really
There you go. I got it.
If you need it, throw it over there.
Set it on that shelf.
What do you need? More towards the front of it?
That's probably good.
About it?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna grab this pipe here. Do you see that? Oh my god. Geneva PVC 12454 SDR 35 sewer pipe. We're using Made in USA.
What is he doing?
Sit down.
That's all you can do?
Yeah.
Oh God, I'm done.
Oh, we're using weed barrier to wrap this up, just to hold sediment and stuff from getting in any cracks, because we have holes coming out our end pipes down there. I drilled some holes in it just to kind of let some water seep out along the way. So we did get this pipe into the old septic tank here. That was cement. We just used one of those boots, shoved it in there, siliconed it. Have a little bit of seal. There's gonna be a little seepage, but it's expected. It's been seeping for 20 years, so I think a little seepage is gonna hurt. We started laying the pipe, a 6-inch pipe down here. See that? So we're wrapping it with that weed barrier. And we've got the end to dig out here, so put that weed barrier all the way along this, and then we gotta make this curve up here, so we're sitting it up on these this wood here across, and then we're just assembling it around that corner. But up here you can see those holes I drilled in, the little tiny holes. I drilled it on all 4 sides just so it could drain out slowly. So the first 3 are solid, and then after that we put tolls in it just to kind of let it seep out. Ooh, look good. The E50 in full effect. Sadie. Sit. Good girl. So we ran the sewer pipe to a culvert here. Show you the other side here. Ah! So there's the culvert. So then it'll drain hopefully right out into this pond. Drainage field. The spot's right there where we taped the weed barrier to the pipe, just to hold it on there in place. Alright, here's our silicone job. Built it up with some rocks here, put a brick where we had a little transition like joint right here, just to make sure that joint didn't come apart. So should flow good. We are back. Final day of sewer pipe installation. So we just have to fill in the dirt here, call it a day. Make it look nice, level it out. Probably fill in this by hand here, pack it down a little bit by the pipe coming out of the septic tank. That should be it. Everything worked out pretty good.